So with that, I am excited. We've got something new here for Nanog. I think this is the first time we've had something of a game show. I'm excited to introduce Charles Rumford, who will be presiding over Network Engineering Jeopardy. May the best AS win. Charles is a network engineer at Deft and is coming at us today from Philadelphia. This is Charles' second time presenting at Nanog, and it's a pleasure to have him on stage again. With that, I'd like to welcome Charles. And Charles, if you would, please introduce your contestants or victims.
Whatever you want. And we're off to a good start. Just so you know, I am not the former Secretary of Defense. Just throwing it out there. Hi, I'm Charles Rumford, and this is Nanog Jeopardy. Like normal Jeopardy, we have a great panel of contestants who have willingly volunteered to come up and answer some tackle a board of networking related topics. So we have some buzzards buzzers I made for this, so we can keep track of who chimes in first. We are not going to be on a fixed time, so the idea here is to have a little fun. So if they, push the button and don't know the answer, we highly encourage made up answers. Okay?
You're gonna get them. I was gonna say.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go down the row and have each contestant introduce themselves.
All right. I'm Jared Mach. I work at Akamai Technologies.
I'm Justin Ryburn. I work at Kintic Technologies. Hi, I'm Ethan Banks. I'm the co-host of the various podcasts on the Packet Pushers podcast network, including Heavy Networking and Day 2 Cloud.
I knew that voice sounded familiar. Before we begin, let's hear a word from our sponsors. Today's game is brought to you by the Society of Engineers Against NAT. The Society of Engineers Against NAT are leading the charge against the use of NAT everywhere. Visit their website today to learn more about how to join and take a stand against this horrid network design practice. Our buzzer system today is sponsored by Cat5e Cable. Cat5e cable isn't just for Ethernet and serial connections anymore. Cat5e cable has many uses: wiring lights, hobby electronics, luggage straps, belts, password enforcement. Join the community. Join in the community for more ideas and to share your ideas today. Okay, so let's go for our first board today. Today our categories include internet governance, name that ASN, where we will provide some information about a company and you provide their ASN. We'll see how well that works out. Acronyms, we use them every day, but do you really know what they mean? Nanog location history and historical transport. We didn't do a coin toss earlier, so Justin, you got control of the board.
All right, let's start with name that ASN for 100.
This company was recently purchased by Elon Musk.
What is Twitter?
I'm sorry, I need that in the form of an ASN. You still have control of the board.
All right. Let's do acronyms for 100.
Okay. API. Jared.
Application Programming Interface.
I'm sorry, that's not in the form of a question. Ethan.
What is Application Programmatic Interface?
Correct. You have control of the board.
Show me the board. There it is. I'll take acronyms for 500.
Ooh, we're just going to go right in. Ooh. ESSID. Go ahead.
What is Enhanced System Station Identifier?
I'll give you half credit for that. You have control of the board.
Historical nanog locations for 100.
Nanog 1, home of the University of Michigan. I mean, you could just start naming
What is
cities
Ann Arbor, Michigan?
Correct. Under to Justin. Justin, you have control of the board.
All right, let's go down the list here. We'll do nanog location for 200.
Nanog 53, home of the Liberty Bell. Justin.
What is Philadelphia?
Correct.
Let's do historical transport for 100.
Synchronous transmission over multiple channels, maxing out at 44 points. You have to wait until I finish. Ethan.
What is T3?
Correct. You have control of the board.
I'll take historical transport for 200.
Hot potato, but for networks. Jared.
What is token ring?
Correct.
Wow.
You get to.
Historical transport 300.
Helps to ensure that only one host is talking at a time.
What is it? It's CSMA?
What was that?
It's like CSMA?
Correct.
Collision.
Close enough. You have control of the board.
Historical transport 400.
Fixed.
Yep.
Okay. Ethan?
What is ATM?
Correct.
Yeah, but what's your VPI VCI? AL5 snap?
Ethan, you've
You got the control.
Let's finish historical transport for 500.
with an address containing a 4-digit network identification code. This is one of the oldest packet switching protocols developed in the mid-70s. I mean, Alex knows it, so like, someone's got to know it. No? What is X25?
The embarrassing part, I've worked on an X25 network before.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I feel there's a story there.
Yeah.
I feel there's a story there for a podcast at some point. Okay. Whoever, someone pick.
Let's do Nanog location history for 300.
Nanog 45, the first Nanog outside of the continental United States.
What is the Dominican Republic?
I will take it.
Or Santo Domingo, yeah.
Yeah. Good.
The one that Josh did. Same for 400.
San Francisco and Atlanta. We may have.
What is, I don't understand the question.
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's one of the numbers.
That works also.
Were those?
That works well too. I will just go with what is the most number of nanogs hosted?
Okay. All right.
Okay.
All right, 500.
500. The first nanog held completely virtually. Good.
I didn't even hit the button. I just tapped.
Your button is lit.
I tapped it like that. Okay, anyways. I don't know. The first one after COVID, what was that? Like June 2000?
June of
Or
2000?
2020.
I mean, I don't think COVID lasted that long, but okay.
Just feels like it.
It only feels like it, but it was that one. Where was that one supposed to be?
June of 2020?
Yeah, that sounds right.
Nanog 79. We'll give it to him. Go ahead.
Acronyms 400.
400. ASIC. I thought this was actually an easy one to put at 400, but I guess not.
Middle age.
What is application specific integrated circuit?
Yeah.
Correct.
Pulled that one out.
Justin, you have control of the board.
All right.
Man. That one hurt my head.
Yeah. Right. Acronyms for 300.
Oh.
Oh.
VLSM.
Variable length subnet mask.
Correct.
Oh. There you go.
Ethan, you have control of the board.
Acronyms for 200.
ASCII.
Alex Latsko is volunteering to come up and complete this one.
Alex Latsko gets 200 points for the correct answer.
You can have 200 of mine.
Okay. Okay. I am. This is an experiment. I'm happy to.
Now
we can try that. We can
Here
try
comes your
that.
first question, audience. Internet
Excellent. I'm
governance
gonna
for 500.
Yeah, can we do a 50-50?
We're going for internet governance for 500? Okay. Before Aaron, before I can, there was one man to rule them all.
Who is John Postel?
Correct. 500 to Jared.
But I was surprised it wasn't Kim Hubbard.
Okay. You control the board.
Name the ASN 500.
This group brings together network operators 3 times a year in North America. Justin.
What is nanog?
I'm sorry, I need that in the form of an ASN.
Oh, and one of these days I'm going to figure this out. Oh, okay. All right. What is 19230?
Good enough.
I phoned my friend.
Just so you know, the name that ASN is, you have to give me the ASN, not the company name.
400.
Yeah.
Okay.
ASN.
Cabletown.
7922. What is 7922 is their main one, but they also have a lot of other ones.
They have a lot of other ones. We'll just go with that one. But yes, correct. What is 7922? Jared, you have control of the board.
Excellent. Well, let's go 300. We're going to try and keep it easy.
This AS mistakenly took down the internet in the late 90s.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, that was 7007.
Correct. You have control of the board.
200.
Reader, Duo, AngularJS, Loon, and Hangouts.
I'm giving them a chance. What is 16509?
There.
Correct.
No. No.
Oh.
Sorry.
That's Amazon. That one's Google.
No, yeah.
Wait, what did you say?
16509.
Oh, okay.
It involved those
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Just scrambled in it.
No.
we'll give it to him. He actually answered in the form of an ASN, so that seems like a good reason to get
Hijacked the wrong
points.
ASN.
generous.
Internet governance 400.
Controller of .edu. Clearly, there are not enough higher
Brain-
education people here.
Oh man, I can't remember this one.
Does anyone in the audience know who controls .edu? Yes. EduCause. Yes. 400 points to the guy in the back row.
Come on up next to Alex. 300.
This U.S. government department controlled aspects of the internet.
Who is Department of Commerce?
Correct. Keep going.
200.
Aaron was founded in this year.
I'll guess 97.
Correct.
Whoa.
I'm more surprised than any of you. And 100.
Okay. Antarctica is covered by this RIR.
I'll guess. Is it LACNIC?
No, and it's also not in the form of a question.
Who is Iana?
Okay.
Who is Iana?
No.
He said no.
What is ripe?
Nope. Anyone in the audience?
Well, we're slowly narrowing it down.
So at the end of round one, we have Jared with 3,100 points, Justin with 1,000, and Ethan with 800.
Woo!
Yeah.
While we let the AV people take a moment to switch game boards, we have a word from some more sponsors. Today's second round is brought to you by the new and improved null route. The new and improved null route have too much trouble with network traffic, too many packets on your hands to deal with, running out of beds and couches to sweep them under? Try the new and improved null route. Null route helps eliminate those extra unwanted packets by making them disappear into a magical void that no one quite understands and baffles scientists today. All null routes now come standard with support for 400 gig. And new for 2023 by popular demand, support for IPv6. Call your local null route dealer today to learn more about how to get a quote for your own. Today's game is also brought to you by the Monks of IPv6. With members sadly not at every host, the Monks of IPv6 are continuously praying for an IPv6 only internet sometime in the next 20 to 30 years. Join the movement today in hoping of achieving our goals sooner. Oh, look at that! We have the word. So, yes, I'm the one who made the less NAT, more V6 stickers. So if you want some, find me, and I will be happy to distribute them. So, for round 2, we have our categories are routing protocol innards, where we give you a piece of information regarding the inner operating of a routing protocol, and you tell us the routing protocol. The 802s, you provide the IEEE 802 standard for the provided clue. Internet pioneers, April Fool's RFCs, and DNS. It's always DNS.
Is that the answer? I think so.
Jared, you had controlled the board at the end of the last round, so you get to start.
I will go with Internet Pioneers for 200.
Just so you know, these are people that you need to name, not the technology. So, advancement from hubs to from hubs and repeaters.
What was her name? Who is Ava Perlman?
No.
Or
Anyone else? Audience? Who? No. The internet informs me that it is Donald Davies. First packet switch research out of the UK. Anyway, go ahead.
well, let's go 400.
Who started the request for comments? Good.
Who is John Postel?
No.
No.
Are we just going to say John Postel for all of these?
Hey,
Is that what's going to happen? Is that how this is going to work?
If I'm supposed to guess, I don't know. You have anyone else? You want me to guess some more?
Anyone from the audience? Who?
Vint Cerf? Who is
Nope.
Vint Cerf?
Yeah, it was.
Steve Cracker. So random 400 points for someone in the audience.
All right.
So you,
All right, I'm going to go DNS for 200.
okay.
Something I might know something about.
This record type allows for DNS for services to be discovered over DNS.
What is it? SRV record?
Correct.
400 in DNS.
Used to verify a domain doesn't exist, but also allows the walking of a domain to discover all of the entries. Go ahead.
What is NX domain?
No.
Oh, you want
That is a response type.
Yeah. Well, that would be
Record-
a response type if the domain doesn't exist.
But you can't walk a domain that way.
Yeah. You want the DNSSEC negative proof.
Yeah. Which is
I can't remember. That's what we have RFCs for. You look it up.
what are INSEC records? Let's not give that to him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go 600.
Okay. The root
Oh, man.
DNSSEC key is signed this often. Very elaborate ceremony, involves a lot of people flying places. Someone guess.
Can I nominate somebody out there to answer?
Does anyone want to answer for Jared or Ethan or Justin? Just provide a... No?
I suggest
Go for it, guess.
fail.
What is annually?
No. Shorter.
What is every 6 months?
Shorter.
What is every 3 months?
Correct.
Might get there.
Ethan, you control the board.
DNS for 800.
Allows you to provide cert verification via DNS records opposed to a library of CAs. If anyone hasn't noticed, I really like DNS and the really weird things about DNS. So,
All right, I'm going to say, what is the camel?
No.
All the DNS people, I heard them all laugh.
No. Okay, clearly we need to change this category next time.
Or find some better.
Anyone in the audience? No. Oh, well, there you go.
Dane. Okay.
Dane records.
Yep.
The actual specific record for TLS verification is the TLSA A record.
DNS for 1,000. Going for broke, are we? Yeah, let's get it done.
This day in 2020 eliminated fragmentation issues in DNS. I am not looking for the date. It was what it was marketed as. Go for it.
That was what is the DNS flag day?
Correct.
Yeah.
Jared. Justin, you need to just
Hey, I'm almost positive.
Start pushing that button.
April Fool RFC 200.
What was that? April Fool's RFCs for 200. RFC 1149. The MTU differs between African and European swallows. Go ahead.
What is IP over avian carrier?
Correct.
Name of the RC. Got it.
All right, 400.
RFC 2100. Commentary on whether to use characters from Star Wars or Lord of the Rings.
I don't remember this one.
It is literally a poem in RFC form. I kid you not. Anyone in the audience who didn't Google it? Googling is not allowed, nor is binging. That is also not allowed. Nope, that's not allowed either. What is the naming of hosts? We're going to give Justin control now. We're going to give Justin control. He hasn't been doing anything, so we're going to let him participate.
April Fool's RFCs for 600. We're doing so well at this.
Allows you to tell the server an answer and expect a correct question back, the inverse of HTTP. Yes.
What is the I'm a Teapot RFC?
No.
Oh.
We're literally doing it right now.
Call and response.
Come on.
What is call and response?
Nope.
I don't know.
Anyone in the audience? What is the Jeopardy protocol? The hypertext Jeopardy protocol. Yeah.
I remember.
Justin.
All right, let's switch this up, see if we can find something we can actually answer here. Let's do the 802s for 200.
Wi-Fi 5. If you have challenges with this, you can blame the Wi-Fi Alliance for coming up with a new marketing scheme, which makes no sense. Go ahead.
802.11ac?
Correct.
Oh, very nice.
802s for 1,000.
We're just going to go all the way over there. 100 watts.
Oh.
What is 802.3AF?
No. That's like 15.
AF plus plus plus.
Anyone else? Clearly no one runs wireless access points very often. What is 802.3BT?
That one.
I mean, of course.
Yeah, obviously.
802s for 800.
The newer standard for link aggregation.
The newest.
Oh yeah, I read a whole thing on this. They moved it into a different section of the standard. It was a whole thing. If you give me the old one, I'll give you half credit. Go ahead.
802.3AD.
We give him 400 points. The answer is, does anyone know the answer?
Isn't? No. B.
Nope, that's tagging. AX. 802.1ax. Not to be confused with 802.11ax, which is Wi-Fi 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
802s for 600.
2.5 gigabits per second and 5 gigabits per second.
Ah.
No.
We just gave you a hint.
I saw your hint, Alex.
What is 802.11ah?
Nope. This is a wired standard, not a
Yeah.
wireless standard.
It is the multi-gig.
Anyone in the audience?
Alex.
802.3 something.
Nope. What is 802.3BZ? Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to strand that 400 to annoy all the OCD people, and let's go routing protocol inners for 200.
LSA. Ethan.
OSPF?
Correct.
What is OSPF?
Go ahead.
Routing protocol inners for 400.
TLV. Jared.
What is type length value? Or you want BGP?
No. I want the routing protocol.
Oh,
Alex. Another 400 points to Alex.
In fairness, that's multiple routing protocols that support TLVs.
yes.
ISIS, yeah, but also OSPF.
PLS does too, I think, didn't it?
No. OSPF supports TLVs?
Yeah.
I'm trying to
Can
see
extend
what,
it to it.
I'm trying to offset the first round score.
Giving us a sporting chance here. Is that what you're doing?
No, I'm trying to hit net zero for efficiency.
Routing protocol inners for 600.
NLRI. Ethan.
What is BGP?
Correct.
800.
Dual. Yes.
What is EIGRP?
Correct.
And let's finish the category for 1,000.
UDP 520. Yes.
What is VXLAN?
No. Not a routing protocol.
I guess that's true.
No. Anyone in the audience?
Is this one LDP? No.
What is RIP?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Wow. Huh.
V1?
And V2.
Ah.
Let's go April Fool's RFCs for 800.
Happiness, sadness, anger, and frustration. I think maybe this category. This. 10,000 points to that person, whoever it is. Anyone? Nope. What is the TCP option to denote packet mood?
Finish it for 1,000.
Beautiful vistas, snow-covered mountains, sandy beaches, all the places an 128-bit addressed packet can take instead of the highway. Just make up something. Go ahead.
I don't even know what to make up.
I
I got to pay more attention to the IETF, clearly.
It's obviously something IPv6 related.
Yeah, 128 bits, yeah.
Anyone in the audience want to take a guess?
What is the scenic routing protocol?
Yeah.
What is scenic routing for IPv6?
Oh,
All right. Nice. Internet Pioneers for 1,000.
Oh, we're going to go right in. We have her to thank for making sure our layer 2... Can I finish?
no.
Would you all like three to say it in unison?
You clicked first.
All together. Radia Pro.
Yeah.
There we go.
Ooh, we all get points. That's nice.
Yeah.
Aha. Internet Pioneers for 800.
The difference between E803 and 03E8, also something borrowed from Gulliver's Travel. There's a little one and a big one. Well, yeah, that. But who's the one who did the research and coined the term? Nope.
Who is Indian?
No. I was mildly hoping you would have said Inya, but we'll go with it. Who is Danny Cohen? Justin.
All right, let's do Internet Pioneers for 600 because we got to leave his one thing.
Fathers of TCP/IP. Yes.
What is Vint Cerf?
Uh,
Who is? Sorry.
works for me. There's another name that goes with it, which is Bobcon.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And shall we finish out the board?
Yep.
With another 802. Nope. 10 gig over fiber. It's very closely near one we did earlier.
Yeah,
Came out just after link aggregation. I'm hinting here very strongly.
802.3
Yeah, it's an 802.3 AE.
Correct.
Oh, woohoo!
And that concludes round 2. Do we have the scores from round 1? Okay.
Ethan just won.
The AV people are doing stuff. Anyway, I'd like to thank you all, thank the 3 of you for joining me up here on this adventure for Nanog Jeopardy.
Thank you for
I hope
inviting
you guys
us.
had fun
Thank you.
Yeah.
and weren't completely embarrassed.
This was less painful than I thought it would be. I
tried.
was waiting
And
to be
also
asked
more
about Type
painful.
7 LSAs.
Yeah, we're gonna have more reviews on the questions next time. I wrote them all on a Friday night.
This was fun, though.
I'm good.
You wrote them all on a
Shall
Friday
we
night,
do it again
and
in a
there
year?
was alcohol involved.
We can add that for next year. I think we can do that.
Ooh,
Ooh, no.
let's find some new panelists.
Ooh, how's Malort? Malort sounds good.
No. I
Okay.
nominate Alex, though, to be on the next panel.
Okay. Oh, we have some final scores.
We have a winner.
So with
Congratulations.
12,000, we have Justin, and in second place we have with 1,900 we have Jarrett, and our winner for the first Nanog Jeopardy is Ethan.
Hey!
Good job.
I just want to take a moment and thank Alex Lasko, Kat, Val, and Chris Rogers for helping me pull this all together. And I'd like to thank our contestants again for volunteering. Cool.
We were voluntold, but thank you.
Thank you, everyone, and thanks, everyone.
Thanks.
That concludes Nanog Jeopardy.